Hey everyone, Mr. Motorcycle X here. Imagine this. You're riding home after a long day, wind in your face, feeling unstoppable. Then suddenly your engine starts knocking like it's about to explode. That was me. And it all started with one stupid decision, believing the lie that cheap oil is fine. A couple years ago, money was tight, bike needed oil bad. Shop guy quoted $8 a quart for regular Honda or Yamalube, $12 for semi synthetic, $18 for full synthetic, over $60 total. He kept saying, "Trust me, you need the good stuff." I'm thinking, yeah, right, you just want my money. I'm not naive. I know how shops work. So I went home, dove into forums, read reviews, compared everything, and found cheap conventional oil for $20 total. On paper, perfect. Same viscosity, same rating. I thought, why spend triple when I can get the same thing? Saved $40. Felt like I won. Felt smart. Felt free. Rode it for months. Everything was smooth. I was proud. See? Cheap works. Then came that long highway trip, heat, traffic, pushing the bike harder. About 6,000 miles in, I felt it. A slight knock under throttle. Power dipped. Vibration crept in. Pulled over, heart racing. Checked the dipstick. Oil was black sludge, thick like tar. It had broken down fast. No protection left when I needed it most. That moment hit like a punch. I didn't just waste $40. I risked the whole engine. I risked my ride. I risked me. That's when the lie really sank in. The biggest oil change lie riders keep swallowing. Any oil is fine. Cheap works. Change every 3,000 miles. Shops love short intervals. Old car advice sticks around. We all want to believe we can cut corners and get away with it. Truth? Motorcycle oil is not car oil. Cars cruise at 1,500 to 2,500 revolutions per minute. They will stay in a comfortable low rev range most of the time. Motorcycles were revving way higher. Sport bikes scream up to 16,000 revolutions per minute. Adventure and touring bikes regularly hit 3,500 to 5,500 revolutions per minute. That extra heat and stress means the oil has to work harder, protect the gearbox and clutch too, and survive those high revs without breaking down. Only motorcycle specific oil has the additives to handle that punishment. Real interval, most modern bikes can go 8,000 miles or 12,000 kilometers before a change, even conventional or semi synthetic, if it's motorcycle oil. But the rule no one tells you loud enough: change it once a year, no matter the miles. Oil oxidizes, loses power, turns bad even if the bike sits. Synthetic versus conventional? Both can hit 8,000 miles, but synthetic gives way better protection the whole time. It stays stable in heat, holds its structure, shields your engine better under hard riding and high revs. Conventional starts weakening sooner. Not always a blow up, but definitely less safe in those last few thousand miles. And filters? Always use the OEM filter from your bike maker. Even if you buy fancy Mobil 1 or Model Oil, the filter isn't tuned for your engine's exact tolerances. OEM is don't cheap out there. I learned the hard way. $40 saved isn't worth the fear of hearing your engine knock, the panic of pulling over, or the bill for fixing what could have been prevented. Here's the simple advice that actually works. Use motorcycle-specific oil only. Honda, Yamalube, Kawasaki, Mobil, One, Motorcycle, Motul, etc. Change every 8,000 miles or once a year, whichever comes first. Always replace with OEM filter. No shortcuts. Don't fall for cheap is the same. The extra $20 to $30 on good oil is cheap insurance. I ride because nothing beats that rush, that freedom. But I ride smart now because I never want to feel that knock again. Drop a comment. What oil do you run and how often do you change it? Ever gone cheap and felt the regret? Like and subscribe if you want more real stories and tips that could save you money and headaches. Next myths coming soon. Ride safe out there. Mr. Motorcycle X, out.